Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter polynomials. Before start our new chapter, we will discuss some basic terms. Yes, have you heard ever about variable and constant? What is variable and what is constant? So first we will discuss some basics. What is variable? Variable means whose value can vary. Variable mean vary. Vary mean change. Variable whose value can change. It means whose value can vary or change. Or you can say that whose value is not fixed. Value is not fixed. Example like this one: x, y, z, a, b, dot. Any number x. How much x? We don't know what is the value of x is this one. Understand? Second is constant. What is constant? Yes, constant mean value is fixed. It means whose value is fixed. We already know this value is fixed. Example 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 3. All our value are fixed. Yes, we know. What is 3? 3 is greater than 2 and less than 4. Understand? So it is variable, it is constant. And this one we already discussed in 7th class. And we know after this one, if we add a combination of variable and constant, what we called? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is combination of variable and constant. Understand? So now we will discuss what is algebraic expression. Now algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. It is combination. It is very important. Algebraic expression is very important if we want to know what is polynomial. It is combination of variable and constant. Combination of variable and constant is algebraic expression. Many example you can write combination 4 into x. Yes, combination. It is variable, it is constant. Yes, x square plus 5y plus 3. It is also algebraic expression. Combination of 3, 5y variable and constant. So it is algebraic expression. Understand? Now after this one, some more terms we will understand. What is factor? Factor. There are two types of factor. What is? Two types of factor. What? First is numerical factor. Numerical factor. Second is algebraic factor. What is algebraic factor? What is algebraic factor? First is numerical factor. Numerical factor. What is numerical factor? A factor whose in an algebraic expression whose coefficient is numerical. What is whose coefficient is numerical? Otherwise you can write direct also this one. What is numerical factor? Numerical factor like this one we can find numerical 2 into x. What is numerical factor? Yes, 2. Coefficient of x is 2. So it is factored. So what is the factor of this one? 2x square. So 2 multiply x into x. So what is numerical? Numerical mean numbers. 2. So 2 is the numerical factor. Understand? Second is algebraic factor. What is algebraic factor? Algebraic factor mean Algebraic mean numbers. Algebraic mean we will discuss the variables x, y, z, and this one is the algebraic factors. So write algebraic factors. So algebraic factor mean containing variable. Containing variable. Suppose 2xy. What is its factor? 2 multiply x multiply y. So what is? So 2 is the numerical factor and x and y are the algebraic factor. Understand? Next. So these are only basic terms. So most important is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Combination of algebraic expression is combination of variable and constant. Next is I think you already know tree diagram. Tree diagram of term and factor. In 7th class we already tree diagram of term and factor. Suppose like this one, 2xy minus 35y. Yes. How many terms in this one? 2 terms. What is term? 2xy and next is minus 35y. So it is a tree diagram of term and factor. These are 2 terms, 2xy and factor. 2xy, its factor minus 5, 7 and y. Understand? So these are factors. These are x and y. It is algebraic factor. 2 and minus 5 and 7 are numerical factor. And y is also, here is, what is? Algebraic factor. And we know we can add only like term. Now we will discuss what is like term, what is unlike term. So like term mean, you can remember like term. So what is like term? Like term, I already told you many times. What is? If base and power is same, so it is like term. Otherwise you can remember like this one. If algebraic factor are same, if algebraic factor are same, we will say that they are like term. What is example? Like this one. Suppose 2x square plus 5x square. Yes, algebraic factor. What is? X into x. Its factor 5 into x into x. Yes, algebraic factor x, 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 x. Algebraic factor is same. It's mean they are like term. Like term mean base is same. X, x power 2, 2. Understand? Otherwise, if the algebraic factors are same, so these are two like term. In like term, algebraic factor are same. It is example. Understand? So we can add 2 plus 5, 7. So what is answer? 7x square. Understand? So unlike term. What is unlike term? In unlike term, algebraic factors are not same. Example, you can write what is unlike term. Suppose 2x square and it is 3x. Yes. What is factor? Factor of 2x square. I am writing here 2x square. Factor 2 into x and 3x. Only 3 and x. Here factor are x, x. Here is only x. So these are unlike term. Unlike term, neither we can subtract, neither we can add. Understand? So these are like and unlike term. Understand? After this one, we will start our polynomials. So most important is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? What is algebraic expression? The combination of variable and a constant. Now what is polynomial? What is polynomial? An expression having one or more term is called polynomial. And any algebraic expression, you can write algebraic expression having one or more terms. Example, and what 4x square plus 5, it is polynomial. 4x cube plus 3y plus 7, it is also polynomial. Any one or more term, minus x 100 plus y 100 plus 5 plus 8y, it is also polynomial. Understand? So an algebraic expression, what is algebraic? Combination of variable and constant. An algebraic expression having more than one term is called polynomial. Understand? Now we will study different type of polynomial: monomial, binomial, trinomial. These are we already discussed in 8th class. What is monomial? Yes, monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial having one term. How many term? If any polynomial having only one term, we called one term is monomial. Example, you can write only one term, 4x. Yes, you will say, sir, it is 4, it is x. They are in multiplication. You cannot write like this one, 4 plus x. 4 plus x have two terms and it is become binomial. So it is 4x is monomial. Another 100. One more, y raised to the power 20. So these are all are monomial. Monomial means a polynomial having only one term. Next, binomial. What is binomial? We already discussed, these are in 8th and 7th class. What is binomial? A polynomial having two terms. How many terms? Having two terms is called binomial. And binomial means two terms. So 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. Next, 3x to the power plus 7. So these are two terms. 1, 2. 1, 2. It is binomial. Third is trinomial. Trinomial means, by the name you can also guess what is trinomial. Tri means 3, bi means 2. Trinomial. A polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. Very good. Next, to example, what we can write? 4x plus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. 3 terms. So there are many examples, infinite example of monomial, binomial and trinomial. Understand? Yes, after this one, we will discuss again polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial we already discussed. What is polynomial? What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression which has one or more than one terms is called polynomial. But I give you example like this one in polynomial: x square plus y plus 8, 100x to the power 10 plus y square plus 8. But here we discuss how many variable? Two variable, x and y. But in our 9th class, we will discuss polynomial only in one variable. In how many variable? In one variable. Therefore, we will discuss only in one variable. So again, to write the definition of polynomial in one variable. In how many variable? We will discuss only in one variable. So polynomial, very important it is, polynomial in one variable. Only we are changing here one variable. Polynomial everyone know. An algebraic expression having one or more terms is polynomial. But we are discussing polynomial in one variable. So right? So a polynomial, only note down first, then I explained it. A polynomial px in one variable, in one variable in what is variable? In one variable x is an algebraic. Again, I already told you what is polynomial, and it is an algebraic expression. So a polynomial in one variable, what is variable? X, is an algebraic expression, is an algebraic expression in x of form. So what is? So it is px equal to a to the power n, a base to the power n, x to the power n. Now power is subtract, a n minus 1, x n minus 1, dot 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 dot, like this one. It is continue. Suppose it is become a3 x3 plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0 and x. It is continue. Now understand what is there, and I am writing an minus 1 dot 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 dot, a1 and a0 are coefficient. What is? Are coefficient of this one. Understand? And never coefficient, and otherwise you can say that are constant, and an not equal to 0. Now I am explaining it. What is this one? Now these are only, we write here a general case of a polynomial in one variable. What is? Suppose if you want to write any polynomial, suppose like this one, 5x raised to the power 10 plus 4x raised to the power 7, yeah 9, you can write plus minus x raised to the power 8 plus dot dot dot, and in last 2x square plus x, like this one always. So same as it is also polynomial or not? Yes, it is polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is combination. Polynomial is an algebraic expression having one or more terms, same as it is. Here power is how much? X. 10 may be power 11, may be power 1 lakh, may be power 2 lakh. So I discuss here general case, x raised to the power n and x raised to the power 10, and multiply some number constant, maybe 5, maybe 10, maybe lakh, maybe 2 lakh, maybe 5 lakh. But so I write here an, and after this one power is decreasing. Here power n, and if is decreasing 1, so n minus 1, so a n minus 1, same as it is a n minus 2 into x raised to the power n minus 2, and in last after it is subtract, it is come in last 2 3 3 2 1 0. So a 3 x raised to power 3, so x square, देखो x square. Suppose any number constant may be any number, we don't know what is their number, a3 a2 an, what they are, but there is any number. So 9 into x square, so a2 x square. After this one you can write x, so 2 x raised to the power 1 1, here is also 1. After this one 0, a raised to the power 0 and x raised to the power 0. And x raised to the power 0, we know what is 1. So you can write it is 1. Understand? And we know what is an. देखो an minus 1, a1, a0 are constant. देखो 5, 4, minus 1, 9, 2 are constant. And an not equal to 0. An not equal to 0 means, suppose if you take 5 is 0 in place of 5. 0 into any number 0, so it is become only this one. So that's why first of this constant we cannot take a 0. An 0. Understand? So what is polynomial? So again I am explaining a algebraic expression px, and you are asked, sir, what is px? Because देखो, why I write here px? Because all variables we are discussing in one variable, and variable is here is x. Suppose x cube plus 2x square plus 7. We know what is variable x, so we will write px. P mean polynomial, and polynomial in x. Suppose it is given y square plus 7y. Here is variable is y. Only one variable. We cannot write together x and y. Only one variable. So we will write py. Understand? So px. So a polynomial px. Px means this polynomial in variable x. In one variable x is an algebraic expression in form of px, an, x raised to the power n, this one. Understand? So now you understand what is monomial. Monomial mean a polynomial has only one term. A polynomial has two terms, binomial. A polynomial has three terms, trinomial. And binomial also you understand. So next, I hope everyone understand clearly. Now, which of the, now, one second. Now one or two, three we will discuss. Now, n is always 5, 4, 3, 2 like this. Understand? Next. Now we will learn, one second, coefficient, yes. Now we will discuss what is degree. How we will find, it is very important, how we will find the degree of any polynomial. So first write the highest power, what is highest power of the highest power of the variable. Highest power, what is highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. If you want to find degree of any polynomial, so we have to check its highest power. Understand? So what is? So example like this one. 4x4 plus 3x cube. Yes, what is the degree of this polynomial? How much degree? Highest power. What is highest power? 4. So degree, how much degree? So degree is 4. Like this one, x raised to the power 100 plus 1. So what is degree? Power is 100. So degree is 100. Suppose I write like this one, plus x raised to the power 10 plus 8x raised to the power 2. Now power is highest 100. So degree is 100. Now suppose I write this one, x raised to the power 10 plus 8x square. So what is now degree is 10. Understand? We will check only highest power. Understand? Next. Now we will discuss some more case. Linear polynomial, linear quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Now very simple. If in any polynomial have degree 1, it is called linear polynomial. If any polynomial has degree 2, degree is 2, so we call quadratic polynomial. If any polynomial have degree is 3, it is cubic polynomial. So note down first. So next. तो लीनियर polynomial how will you find? देखो monomial how will you find? Only one term. Here we will check in degree. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is linear polynomial. Example, linear degree is 1, only x plus 1. Yes, degree is the highest power of whose we will check it, variable. So what is power? Only 1. So it is, so this one x. Now you can write y square plus 2. Yes, power is 2. It is not linear polynomial. It is wrong. Understand? And if you write only y power is only 1. So it is very clear. It is linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. It is very important. In 10th class also we will learn again quadratic. I hope everyone understand clearly. So next, a polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So example, quadratic polynomial degree is 2, but we will discuss only one variable. देखो, these are separately. Here it is x. You cannot write like this one, x plus y. No, there are two variables. Understand? Degree, it is linear polynomial, but we are discussing in only one variable. But here two variables. Understand? So x square plus 5. Yes, it is quadratic polynomial. Now next, 3x square. Yes, it is also. Don't check here term. Here only term is 1. But in quadratic polynomial mean polynomial degree is 2. So degree is 2. Degree what is? Highest power of variable 2. Yes. Next, last this one. Third, cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3. Degree is, example, degree 3. 7 x raised to the power 3 plus 5 x square plus 2x plus 1. Yes, degree highest power 3. It is cubic polynomial. Yes, 100 x raised to the power 3. It is also degree is 3. So they are infinite example. Understand? It is cubic polynomial. Understand? So cubic polynomial. So algebraic expression is important. What is? Combination of variable and constant. After this one, polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression having more than one term. One term is called polynomial. So different type of polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Understand? Next is polynomial. What is degree? Degree is the highest power of variable is called degree. So three type of polynomial. Linear polynomial, degree 1. Quadratic 2. Cubic 3. Understand? Now we will discuss now. And always remember, what is polynomial? Polynomial already we discussed. So first question. So now everyone try the all question of first exercise. Otherwise I explain it in next videos. Understand? And CBSE has taken a decision to reduce your syllabus. 30% syllabus is reduced. How many? 30%. How your syllabus 30% is already reduced, and I already send you a PDF, and now we will do only according to as per your syllabus. Understand? In this chapter also, in some exercises deleted by the CBSE, and if you have any problem, you can ask me again and again. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.